I've been dreaming up this little project behind my couch. I want a whole row of Sansevierias behind my couch, but it's a really narrow space. And I didn't want to have to build anything, drill, saw, paint, whatever. So I just went to the hardware store and I got 5 materials, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. First, I got to plan up all these Sansevierias for the lineup. And then I'm gonna take you over to the couch and I'm gonna show you what I put together. So let's get started. Took the Sansevieria out, check out those roots. I got my soil mixture in here. So for Sansevierias, I use succulent soil and I put a little bit of orchid bark in there and some pumice. You want a soil for Sansevierias that is well draining because these Sansevierias are like succulents in that way. There we go, 1 down. 3/4 of my hand down. I'm stopping the soil because they're gonna get tall and they need some support to hold them up on the side. This guy, it's too big for this pot, so I'm just gonna take half of this. So here's what I took of that guy. I picked up this PVC board and I didn't want to paint or anything, so it's nice and white. It's moisture resistant in case I get any water on it while I'm watering. So that I wanted. It actually happened to be the perfect length for behind my couch. It's 8 foot. And then I picked up PVC pipe for the stands that this board is gonna rest on. And these were already pre-cut and they happen to be the right height. Let me see if I can tell you what the height is. I think they're 24 inches. They were already pre-cut. So that's it, 5 materials for the stand behind the couch. I'm just going to set them down behind the couch, evenly spaced apart. And I wanted something that I could take down easily for when I want to clean behind the couch. And then I'm just gonna rest this PVC board, oopsie, right on top. There we go. That's not going anywhere. I don't know where I'm placing these guys yet, but I'm just gonna bring them all out for now. When plant dreams come true. I got these 2 big guys, one here and one's already back there. They're still in their nursery pot, so I just staged them in these 2 pots for now. This one is gonna move here. I gotta do the backup now. You all know what the backup is, where you back up. And you gotta look at the display and see if every plant is in its right spot. So we gotta get every plant in its right spot. I think I gotta move this guy. Come here. It's all part of it. It's all part of it. All part of the process. Now, little guy, you can't be in the middle. I think little guy needs to go on the end. I use plastic takeout containers, the lids. I use them as saucers.